This is a demo of our HO Tyco crane. You can see the crane mounted on the water tower. We control the crane with a Sony remote, and I'm going to show you what we can do with our crane. We can lower and raise the boom, and I'll show you how that works now. Now we can lower the boom, we can raise the boom, we can also see that the magnet is on the end of the cable, and we can raise and lower the magnet. If we want to lower it, we can do that, and if we want to raise the magnet, we can also do that. Lower and raise. And all I'm doing here is pressing the channel down to lower the magnet and the channel up to raise the magnet. If we want to raise and lower the boom, we can lower the boom by pressing volume down and raise the boom by pressing volume up. If we want to rotate the crane, we use the number 1 and number 3. If we want to rotate the crane, we can rotate it by pressing the number 3, or rotate it in the opposite direction by pressing number 1. As the crane rotates, you can see there's a light inside of the cab, and that light is always on. If we want to try and pick up some of the metal parts which are located alongside the track, you can see that there's a gondola car parked on the track. We can lower the boom slightly, and then we can lower the magnet, and you can see how we're going to have to position things slightly by rotating the crane. So if we lower the magnet some more, we might have to lower the boom slightly, and then we can turn the magnet on, and whenever we turn the magnet on, there's a red light on the back of the cab, on the back top, which we'll show you. If we raise the magnet now, it will pick up some of the nuts that were in the tray, and if we move the magnet over so it's above the gondola car, we can also lower the magnet into the car, and if we press the remote, we can turn the magnet off, and all the nuts are dropped in the car. So we can raise the magnet again, we can rotate it slightly to move it over above the tray of nuts. We could go down again and lower the boom slightly, turn the magnet on, and we have more of the nuts. We can again move the crane over so it's above the gondola car, lower the magnet, and drop the nuts. And you can see how you can have a number of scenarios where you can pick various metal objects up. If we turn the magnet on again, just to show you the red LED on the back of the cab, the red LED shows that the magnet is on. and we turn it off, the magnet's off.